Okay, Emma, can you burp too?
Emma.
Burp. Let her do it. Here we are. It's a hot July day, and we're being completely rude.
Cool.
They took their shirts off and they're sitting here burping. Even Emma. Emma? Oh. What great things you're teaching them, guys.
Let's sing the song of burp.
No, that's okay.